Home Remedies presents. This vegetable oil is linked to fast tumor growth in the body. In a recent study published in the journal Nature, researchers at IRB Barcelona identified one type of dietary fatty acid that promotes tumor expansion. Study on mice found palmitic acid promoted metastasis in mouth and skin cancers. There is something very special about palmitic acid that makes it an extremely potent promoter of metastasis, said researchers. The study also adds to emerging evidence that diet can be used to enhance existing cancer treatments because certain nutrients are disproportionately relied on by tumor cells or are required at critical stages such as metastasis. The study published in Nature found that when palmitic acid was supplemented into the diet of mice, mouth and skin cancers were more likely to spread. Other fatty acids called oleic acid and linoleic acid, omega-9 and omega-6 fats found in foods such as olive oil and flax seeds did not show the same effect. Neither of the fatty acids tested increased the risk of developing cancer in the first place. The study suggested that exposure to palmitic acid caused changes to the function of genes in cancer cells that allowed them to sense fatty acids and consume them more efficiently. The authors found that palmitic acid allowed tumor cells to form a neural network around the tumor. This produces a regenerative environment for the tumor, which the cells use to their advantage to grow and spread. Metastasis of cancer remains the main cause of death in cancer patients, and the vast majority of people with metastatic cancer can only be treated but not cured. How to slow down metastasis? One of the key elements in the formation of the neural network that promotes metastasis are the so-called Schwann cells, which surround and protects neurons. Approaches to block Schwann cells inhibit the development of this neural network, thereby preventing metastasis. This discovery paves the way for research into and the development of therapies that specifically block cancer metastasis, a process that is almost always the cause of death by cancer. While the research team believes it is still too early to determine what type of diet would help cancer patients slow down the metastatic process, based on the results from this study, reducing the amount of palmitic acid in your diet could be a step in the right direction. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.